Mechatronics, your smart factory total solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set the auto switch position for a cylinder. First, let me briefly explain the auto switch's operating range and sensitivity. The operating range refers to the distance or area the switch can detect, while sensitivity indicates how responsive it is. The most ideal attachment point for the auto switch is at the midpoint of its operating range. Using the cylinder and auto switch in front of us, I will show you how to set the position. Starting with the cylinder in the retracted position, insert the auto switch into the cylinder. Move it to the left to find the point where it turns on. Mark this point. Next, move the auto switch further to the left to find the point where it turns off, and note this point as well. Then, move the switch back to the right to find the point where it turns on again, and mark this point. The midpoint between the two marked on points is the highest sensitivity position. Fix the switch at this midpoint position. Attaching the auto switch at the on point rather than the midpoint of the operating range may cause unstable operation. This is why it must be attached at the midpoint of the operating range. This concludes the explanation of how to set the auto switch. If you have questions or unclear parts, please leave a comment, and I will respond. Thank you for watching.
TPC Mechatronics, advancing industries together. Learn more at tpcpage.co.kr.